Hello, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje Koenen and I post weekly videos that hopefully inspire your sketchbook habit. And my book, Life is Better When You Draw It, is now available for you to purchase online worldwide. It's in English and it's a book for people who love drawing like me and who need just a little bit of inspiration. You know that drawing makes you happy. Part of that is in this book and it's a reminder for you. I share a lot of drawings from my sketchbooks and tips, advice, ideas and ways to make drawing part of your daily life. I am very, very happy to finally share this with you. And if you want a copy, and I know you do, then follow the link in the description of this video. Today's draw tip is such a habit for me that I would almost forget to share it with you. Every time when I start a new sketchbook, I put my contact details on the first page. It has become a habit and maybe even more of a ritual by now. And I encourage you to do this too. In case you lose your sketchbook somehow, then at least the person who finds it knows how to contact you and will hopefully help getting the sketchbook back to you. I know a few sketchers who have gotten their sketchbooks back because of this, after accidentally leaving it on public transport or something. And there are a lot more sketchers I know who never retrieved their misplaced sketchbooks because they hadn't put their contact details in it. I once lost a whole roll of beautiful colored pencils on a train and never got them back. So since then, I also keep a business card with my contact details in my pencil cases. Another benefit of filling your first page with your name and contact details is that you can dive right into the new sketchbook without overthinking. It's an opportunity for you and your sketchbook to get acquainted. You'll find out how your materials behave on the paper of this sketchbook and you can get used to the format and the size. Of course, you can simply write your contact details in the first page of your sketchbook. Maybe you can then embellish the lettering a little bit, but the sketchbook is for drawing after all, so why not just combine the two? I hope you will fill that first page and that you will not lose your sketchbook. And if you do that, then at least the person who finds it can find you. Okay. Thanks for watching. Check out my Patreon page too, because you can support me for just a few dollars a month to help me keep going with these weekly videos. I'll see you next week. Bye.